Hello everyone, welcome to UDB Voice English Podcast. My name is Faisal Afani Repima, and today I would like to talk about the importance of communication and public speaking in our daily life. So communication is one of the most important skills in life. So every day we use communication to share our ideas, express our opinion, and build relationship with others. And a famous investor, Warren Buffett, once said that improving communication skill can increase a person's value by more than 50%. And this shows how important it is to learn how to speak clearly and confidently. And public speaking helps people to explain their ideas and inspire others. However, many students feel nervous when they speak. Because of this, they sometimes speak with a very soft voice or unclear pronunciation. A good speaker needs a clear and confident voice so that the audience can understand the message. Today, communication is also developing through digital media such as podcasts, English podcasts, help students practice speaking, express idea, and improve their confidence. When speaking in a podcast, students need to pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, clarity, and voice volume, so that listener can understand the message easily. So, communication and public speaking are very important skills. By practicing speaking clearly and confidently, we can share our ideas more effectively. Thank you for listening to UDP Voice English Podcast.